because I just got paid, so therefore I just got full tank of gas, some snacks, coffee, Red Bull, everything I will need to continue my journey. Now, I am probably a full day and a half behind schedule, so therefore I have to make it up because my scheduling, my schedule for this trip is very, very tight already, and now I'm running late. So therefore, I will now have to make up 13 hours of driving to my next location, which is the Havasu Fall, next to the Grand Canyon, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. So it's gonna be an all-night drive for me. Enough talking because it's a long drive. Let's do it. I'm on the solo long back road again. Up, down, on the side of the mountains and cliffs and canyons. You never really know, but you do get the feeling because you can see the shadows of the giant hills and mountains around you. Sometimes you're high up, sometimes you're down low. Good morning, good morning. We are at Havasu Fall, Arizona. Yeah, driving overnight here. I got here at exactly 4 a.m. and now it is 7:18 a.m. So I had a little bit of a nap, which is great. Apparently you have to hike to the fall though, and it's another 10 miles or 9 miles or whatever, something like that. And damn, that is far. And also last night when I got here, couldn't really see anything, you know, under the moonlight and stuff. You can see just a little bit, but you couldn't see much. But it's a canyon, like looking like this hike is gonna be, you're gonna have to walk down the Grand Canyon and get to this waterfall, which is cool. That's awesome. But 10 miles to get there, so that means 10 miles back as well. That is a very far hike. There's a lot of car here, like a lot, like almost a full parking lot, you know, for like this type of area. But nobody, I don't see anyone else. I don't think I see people in their car either. Either they have already gone and hiked like earlier, or they're just they're not here. I don't know. Am I being punked? Are these like ghost cars? Nobody's here. There's a lot of signs here. I'm gonna go read them. It's not looking good. A lot of signs mean not good things. Usually signs are bad. A lot of prohibiting this and that, and you gotta have this and you gotta have that. Yep, as I said before, yeah, a lot of signs is a bad news. And apparently you're not supposed to hike during daytime here. Kind of weird. I guess maybe it gets hot, but in the same time, I don't think I would want to go down this at night. But apparently you're supposed to. Yeah, so no day hikes, so I guess I'm not doing it. And apparently you're supposed to have a group. You're supposed to have a reservation, maybe even a mule. Apparently a mule reservation. Really? Like, okay, I get it. Not supposed to hike at daytime, supposed to hike at night apparently. So I'm guessing all of these cars, and there is a lot of cars here. There's more over there beyond, a little bit beyond, and below there's another parking spot and with even more car. So I'm guessing the reason why there's no people in the car is because they're already hiking. They've been hiking since the time I got here, I'm guessing. Check this shit out. It's fucking beautiful. Oh my god. During that pan, did you guys hear? Probably not, but there's like wild horses. I hear them doing their bullshit. Holy shit, it is cold out here with the wind. I gotta get back in the car. My eyes are tearing up like crazy. Finally just saw another living soul up here. Not just empty cars. And it's some old people. They don't look like the hiking type. But yeah, I think they made the same mistake as me, just wandering in here. Looking up on Google Map and, you know, seeing, hey, it's a waterfall. Cool, let me go check it out. But it doesn't mention that you need reservation and you need a group and you need freaking all types of crazy stuff. And you need to hike at night to get down there. So that's crazy ridiculous. And there he is at the office, checking out all the prohibit everything on earth sign. And his wife's over there somewhere. Moving on to the next location, Grand Canyon. But first, hopefully we can find a gas station. Let's go. Of life for vehicle. I've made it. Yes, we've made it. With one line left. Look at that. We did not get stuck in the middle of nowhere. Oh, by the way, if you didn't notice yet, got my glasses fixed. This is my sight glasses. Got it fixed last night when I was driving around. I stopped at a gas station and the guy had a glasses kit for sale for like $2. So I was like, all right, let's do it. And I bought it and fixed it instantly, and it was awesome. Okay, I am back. It's bright. I bought some apples and coffee. As you might have noticed, last night I only got about 2 hours of sleep because I was driving the whole night to make up for the one day of no traveling whatsoever because I was broke. So yeah, I'm back on it now. I am fueled up on coffee to the max. I brought a lot of apples. I'm gonna munch on that while I hit the road. Grand Canyon, baby, let's do it. Historic Highway 66. Yes. Old America. Grand Canyon National Park, 62 miles. I just passed a delivery truck that flipped over onto its side. It was an orange delivery truck, so there was orange everywhere. I ran over some. Damn, that sucks. We're up in the mountain too, so it's like, ugh, you know? What happened to the driver? I hope he's safe, but yeah, his oranges are everywhere, all over the highway. Yay, we're in the Grand Canyon National Park, hooray! And it's free, hooray! Great weather today. It's gonna be awesome. Oh, I can't wait. Yes, I cannot wait. I hope there's not too much traffic with parking. Even though I say that, I already know in my head that there is gonna be crazy amount of traffic and so on, because you know, it's a tourist area. Of course there's gonna be traffic, but it's whatever. I'm gonna make do with it. Oh boy, here we go. Like I said, with the parking, I've already drove past 2 lots full. It says keep moving, lots full. Can't hold any more cars. I mean, I'm sure they're not accurate because people are leaving and going all the time, so ridiculous. But we'll get parking eventually. All right, folks, I found a place to park. It's a little far from the actual where the canyon is, but I mean, gotta do what gotta do. So parked. Now I'm walking towards the canyon, hopefully towards the canyon. I'm not exactly sure which direction is the canyon, but if I remember correctly, it's this way. Guys, there's 2 wild animals over there somewhere. Here's some close-up elk for you. There's the one, there's the other in the tree, and then a few more in the back over there. Oh yes, I found my way. That trail was longer than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a little short little trail, but I think I just walked like 1.5 miles. Whoa. Okay, so you can see that there's some light snow coverage on the ground throughout the park. This is where I'm walking towards, and it's a rocky edge that you need to step down from in order to get to the railing. Keep in mind that these rocks are lightly covered with snow and are slippery. Excuse me. Now, do you see this opening where the railing ends? That right there, combined with the slippery rocks, almost put an abrupt end to my entire story. Woo! Good. Luckily, I reacted fast enough when I slipped and was able to grab onto these rocks. And this man right here also jumped at me and grabbed my right arm. It was definitely a very close call. My left leg was literally hanging off the edge. And if I didn't grab onto the rocks any sooner, I would have fell right down into the Grand Canyon. That would have been a fun fall.
It's not the fall that kills you.
Yeah. It's the sun stop. That's right. Whew. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk the trail just a little more, and then I think I have to head out because I still got other destination to hit. This is not my only place I'm hitting in Arizona, so gotta keep moving, you know. But this place is amazing. It's amazing. It's so sketchy stepping on these rocks, like people walking up and down these rocks to like take pictures and stuff, because it's lightly snow cover and it's like a little bit of a slanted hill down. So if you slip on the snow, you're going right off the cliff. That's scary. Like it's like that the whole way, the whole edge of the canyon, and people still walking around the edge. It's real dangerous. Can you see the man? No? Well, I'll show you. He's right there. How the hell did he get there? And what? How? He's right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, my beloved Toyota Camry. I have returned. The coming back trip was actually a little faster than I expected. Probably because I'm not lost. Like the going trip. I was lost on the going trip. I was wandering around all over the place. That's probably why. But, you know, the way back, I already knew the direction, so I came right back. We just kill. I gotta find an area with Wi-Fi because I need the map to go to my next location. I need GPS because I don't know how to get there. That's another tip for you guys. Buy an actual map. Pre-save the map of the destination you're going to already. I don't know if you can do that or not, but yeah. This has been a constant problem for me this whole trip, not being able to load a freaking map. Usually I just use my navigational skills to find my way around. Gotta rely on old-fashioned street signs. Check out the sunset, y'all. Whoa. Over the Grand Canyon. You know, you guys can't see nothing, but it's okay. It's beautiful, trust me. Maybe you can see some stuff. Beautiful. Yeah, so I realized that the park is so massively huge, and the roads obviously has to go around the whole entire park. So no matter how hard I try, I am not gonna get out of here before sundown to my next location. Impossible. The park is massive. So I'm just gonna enjoy the park a little more. That's why I'm still in the park. Cruising, take my time. The roads are getting a little icier, cars are slipping and stuff. My car slipped a couple times too, so gotta be careful because we are driving right on the side of the Grand Canyon. Do not want to slip off. That'd be bad. But yeah, looks like tonight I'll get to my next location, and then again I'll just stay there until morning, and then morning do some, you know, shoots or whatever, and then next location, on and on and on, so on, so on, so on. All right, I'm gonna get in the car. It's cold. I'm gonna eat a sandwich. I bought a sandwich at the Grand Canyon food shop or whatever. It was like $8. They're trying to rob me. California, Arizona, all these states around here. They just want to charge everybody's money. They want everybody's money. All right. Oh, it's cold.